Hello everybody, my name is Khaled Siddiqui, and in this video I'm going to teach you how to change the language between French and English in your Panasonic WX-CC411 wireless drive-thru system. Alright, let's get started. In order to change the language between French and English, you go to Settings. In Settings, you have to enter the password. The password is 12345. In order to access the numeric pad, you have to press this button twice. Now we enter the password 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we click Login. Now in this screen, we go to Installation and Settings. Installation Settings. Now we click on Screen and Touch Panel. Now we click on Language. Currently English is chosen. We click on Language, and if you want French, you click on French, and now we have Français. And now if you see, even these, everything is now in French. Even these are in French. So I'm going to switch back to English because I don't speak French. And now we are back to English. Once you're done, you can press back the info, and you will be back on the main screen. I hope this was helpful. Please make sure to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.